Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and just type in Modern Warfare 3 to begin your search. Once you find the Modern Warfare 3 game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Card to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then enter your credentials to finalize your payment, and once the transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. Then you can choose your installation directory and begin the download and installation. Once it is completed, you can start enjoying the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.